I love disposable cameras. Now bear with me, why am I talking about this? Hey kiddo. You know, I had them as a kid on my grade school field trips to the zoo, and I think we can all recall those moments when we have gotten like a disposable camera, gone somewhere, taken a bunch of pictures. And I think life is a lot like a disposable camera. You only get so many shots, and it's up to you what you make out of it. Will you focus on all the things that went wrong in your life? What will you make out of your disposable camera? And this is my disposable camera. And yes, that is an iPod. I guess I just like old things like that.
Here I am on the other side of the radio, wondering why I'm here and why anybody cares what I say. No, I'm not a better man, 'cause I'm singing my songs on the radio, 'cause we're all the same at the end of the day. Now I imagine you on the other side of the radio, doing your homework or driving with your windows down on the freeway. I see you tapping the wheel, I see you bobbing your head to the radio. Oh, and it makes my day to see that smile on your face. And in some small way, I remember my...
Now, when you start to think about this, it just makes sense, and you realize how terrible we are at this. The moments just fly by us, and click your first photo, click you're born, click all of a sudden you're walking, riding a bike, and making friends, and all these things are just moving past us, and we are just terrible at cherishing it. And the reality is, we need someone greater than ourselves to help us, to really use it to the best of our ability. And I recently watched the movie Soul, and they said it like this.
A spark isn't a soul's purpose. Oh, you mentors and your passions, your purposes, your meanings of life. So basic.
And we think life is about what we do and what we accomplish. But what if it's more about who we know? And that's the point of our disposable camera, to point to someone bigger than ourselves, to know someone bigger than ourselves.
Yep. I hope you're still doing that.
Go Bears!
Just man a camera. This year, our Christmas PJs. They have those for dollars.
Okay, just go for it. Yeah! This is a whole It's not even funny. Nice. Sick, thank you.
Stop licking the dishes.
There you go.
I'll take one of each.
You're in and out. I used to.
Trying to get the scoop with it, but just three. The shots. Where do you go for every year?
What's down? Good. Good stuff.